Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to log into Nedbank account online. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up any web browser on your desktop that you're comfortable with, and on the search URL type in Nedbank login. Once you press enter on your keyboard, now from all the search results, I want you to click on this link that says personal.nedbank.co.za, that is Nedbank Personal Banking Service for Better Money Choices. Click on there. That will land you on this interface. Now, in order to log into your account, click on login button next to the search button from the upper right corner of this interface. Here, select the account that you would like to log into. You can either go with online banking, online share trading, Nedbank business and many more given on this interface. Here I will click on online banking. And from this interface, you can simply log into your account using your QR, or if you want to log in using your Nedbank ID, click on this login button on your interface. Once you click on there, here first of all enter your username, then under that enter your password. If you don't have a Nedbank ID yet, you can simply register by clicking on this register button right here. Or if you have forgotten your login credential, you can click on this link that says need help logging in, and that will help you to recover your account. Now once you're done typing in your username and your password, click on login, and that will log into your Nedbank online account. So that's how you log into Nedbank online account. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.